Sorry kids, this one's only for bandsaw owners. If you've used a bandsaw for any length of time, then you understand what a nightmare all these little cutoffs are. Look how easy this is. It doesn't interfere with the blade change, and it's super easy to do. What you're looking at here is just one of these donut-shaped magnets. You may have to put a washer underneath it to keep it from rocking, and this just has some paper on it fastened there with spray adhesive just to reduce that scratchiness. And this is just one of those dollar store baking trays.